Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove green screen from a video using Filmora 12. You know, Filmora is a worldwide famous video editing software for the professional video editor or YouTuber. I am also using Filmora. You know, Filmora is very handy and useful software for making video and it's very simple user interface. So if you a beginner video editor, then you have no option without Filmora. You need to open Filmora software for becoming a skilled video editor. So without any delay, let's start our tutorial. Before starting the tutorial, I would like to request all of my viewers, those who have who didn't already subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and stay with me. So let's get started. At first, I would like to open my Filmora software. Yes, Filmora. Now I have opened Filmora. You can see here there are some green screen video here. Now I will drag it to the timeline. Yes, this is the green screen video. You are watching that. But how can you remove the green screen? So let's follow the step. At first, you have to find out where is the AI tools. You can see that now I am indicating the right side of the screen. There are 4 options here: basic, mask, AI tools and animation. You have to find out AI tools. Then there's some option here. There are some options here, but we have to use just 2 options here for removing the green screen from the video, just chroma key and the AI portrait. If you can also find this option from here, upper side from the timeline. Yes, you can see here some important tools and elements here. Here, this is the icon here: AI matting tools, chroma key, AI portrait, smart cutout, etc. You can also go there, this option, that is right side, by clicking this icon, I mean cup icon, just chroma key, AI portrait, shortcut, etc. And you can also just select the video, then you can see there the basic, mask and AI tools. Just you have to find out, you have to click the AI tools, then on the radio button here, just click this. Yes, wow, the green screen has been removed. You can see here there is no green screen here, perfectly removed. Very easy and simple. Now I will show you by following the AI portrait. Wow, but here some no, there are no problem here. Just same green screen has been removed in same way. So you can follow the 2 steps here: chroma key or AI portrait. Just click the chroma key, then AI tools will remove the background from the video as well. So now I will now I will go by clicking this menu here. Just click the cup menu here, click and just click the chroma key. Just again the green screen has been removed the same way. You can go by two ways. You can click the menu here by clicking the cup menu here, and you can select at first the video, then you will find out where is the AI tools. Then after getting AI tools, then you have to select the chroma key, then select the color. There are some color here, and you can also remove the green screen by clicking the AI portrait. That's all for today. I hope this video will very helpful for you. If you find this is a very helpful video, please like and comments about my video, and you are requested to subscribe my channel at last. So thanks you all. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.